What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking. It's a little bit different today. We're in my bathroom. We're about to do our hair because it's a mess. And his is a mess. And we gotta get it done. We gotta get it done. Yeah, we're gonna go to Mike's tree farm today.
And the tractor go.
And the tractor show.
Yeah, and take to the hayride and get some pumpkins.
Ooh, a hayride and pumpkins? What? Yo, Mike's farm has some of the best food.
Yeah. And then have blingy.
Yeah, it's like southern country soul food.
And mac and cheese and biscuit there. And
about to get ready. We're pretty excited. Put some moisturizer in my beard. Now we have to figure out what we're gonna wear. That's the thing. So here's my fit. I got the jeans on and the flannel.
my hat on.
Alright, so Axel's dressed.
And on football.
Show your fit check.
Good. Is it good?
Look. So we're in Aspen's room now. I had to come find my hat.
No.
So now we got my hat on. I think we're good to go. Have a busy day planned apparently. We got glasses. It's a nice looking day. A little cloudy. Let's roll. Welcome to Dad's Simply Outing apparently today. A little bit of a change of pace here. Decided to take y'all on a fun adventure with us. This is an event we go to every single year, the Mike's Tree Farm Tractor Show. That's right, we love tractors. We're here in the South, in rural agriculture land, and tractors are a thing around here. Axel's first word, I'm pretty sure, was tractors. He loves water tractors, land tractors. Water tractors is an inside joke. But here we are, we're looking at the little tractors, the big tractors. Aspen's all excited about that old vintage Ford tractor. Yes, I said a Ford tractor. I found out today that Ford did indeed have tractors. Never knew that until this event. But Axel was more than tickled pink. He wanted to wear his John Deere shirt and pants to mess with those shoes. He was obsessed with this harvester. Look at that beautiful Ford tractor right there. Pristine, truly. This is just such a fun event. There are so many people out there, y'all. And it is always popping at Mike's Tree Farm. We're just always having such a great time. And Axel is loving this. That harvester, they're trying to crank it up. And we thought they were going to get it, but ended up not being able to get it. So it just was what it was. Axel wanted to climb all over it, but he didn't because I would not let him. And then we're walking over to feed the animals because that's right, they also have animals at Mike's farm. Imagine that. But there is Grandma. That's right. Franny from her YouTube channel, my mother. She's in this video because she came with us with my father, who you've probably seen in the rear footage of her videos as she's walking out the door. We're here to feed the goats.
Yeah.
You do like this. So hold it in your hand like, watch this. No, don't drop it. He won't hurt you. Do like this. Watch. Now open your hand.
Ah, that sweet childhood laughter that we all enjoy. He was having a swell time. Aspen was off in her own land. She carried her bag of corn everywhere she went and tried to empty it out as fast as she could. She loved the goats. I think the goats were probably one of her favorites. We tried to go see the miniature horses, but there's a lot of people over there. I don't know, the turkeys also were a lot of fun, and I always enjoy them seeing the turkeys.
Oh, look at that turkey.
Yeah, he might take your finger off. Let Papa try it first.
Mine's
Yeah. I ain't touching that.
So we're over here now looking at the peacock. Me and Aspen were trying to feed this thing. It's a peacock, you got a little fire captain. The peacock was not interested, so we left, went back to the lambs and the sheep. And that sheep was very happy we were throwing food in there. And then there's this Model T Ford, truly beautiful car right there. Back to the tractors. Actually, didn't really care about the vintage cars. He was like, Tad, there's tractors over there. So the John Deere with those John Deere shoes. He would have a John Deere shirt and pants on, but Mama wouldn't let him. And here's this red tractor. He liked it because it had blocks, so he could hit the gas. And he was trying to get the thing to go. So here we are. This is the gift shop and bakery. And my mother's in front of me. She wanted to go get some video footage as well. These are their jams and preserves they have in the shop. And their cakes. Those cakes are pricey now. I ain't gonna lie. Look at all these little baked goods they have. They have some more cookies. Regular cookies, these brownies up top. I'd seen these on their Facebook post earlier in the week. The pumpkin patch cookie or brownies and the cosmic brownies, s'more brownies. So many different things that were just looking so good. But then Jerry called me and said the line was moving and we had to go. So it's time to go eat. And Aspen was very excited. She unwrapped my silverware and hers. And these kids were ready to eat. So here we have fried chicken, green beans, biscuits, mac and cheese. Oh, the best mac and cheese in the world. Tenderloin and mashed potatoes. And it's Southern style buffet. They bring you more food if you're hungry. And they keep feeding you until you're done. And this little girl wanted another chicken leg, but she saw the mac and cheese because Jerry was dishing it out. And she was like, yo, put that mac and cheese on my plate. And that girl ate, I think, like 2 chicken legs. Actually, ate like 3 or 4. And she ate all her corn. Give me that food. But not only do you get dinner, and that's my plate. I was trying to polish it off, but then I got my banana pudding. Jerry got the cherry cheesecake. Aspen got the chocolate cheesecake. And my father, he doesn't do desserts, but we ordered the pumpkin preserve delight. And he wanted me to show it off for the camera. And now we're going on the infamous hayride. We're all full as ticks. And Axel wanted to swing around while we waited for the next tractor to come around. Jerry's yelling at Aspen and Axel because they're running off and the tractors are coming. And it's time to load up, y'all. Because we gonna go to the pumpkin patch. And this is always a fun event. The kids love going to the pumpkin patch. And it's also fun because it's a little bit terrifying. Because they have like young teenagers driving these tractors. And we must have got somebody that I don't know if they've ever drove a tractor before or knew how to really not pop the clutch. And if you know how to drive a manual, you know what I'm talking about. Because we would gear up and he almost put us in the ditch at one point. And we're like, there's a lot of people on this tractor ride. We don't want to go in the ditch. But we did get hit by a few tree branches because we got a little too close. Do you see the pumpkins? Are you excited?
Them pumpkin patch vibes, easy and slow. Cider in a cup with that orange glow. Tractor shining in a rusted road. It's chill, it's fun, it's a life we know. Laughing around fires, hearts all aglow. Country nights never get old.
Pumpkin patch. So we got pumpkins. Aspen got a pumpkin. Now we're paying for them. with that, the 2025 Mike's Farm Tractor Show comes to a conclusion. We're tired. Been there since 11. It's now 2:30. So 3.5 hours. We've ate a lot of food. I got 2 pumpkins. I got a piece of the cosmic brownie, the pumpkin patch brownie, a s'mores cookie, and then Aspen picked out a marshmallow chocolate called a moop pop pie. I don't know, but I bought it. And with that, y'all, I greatly appreciate y'all being here watching this video. I'm just rambling at this point, and it's just about to say behind about everything. Other than that, thank y'all so much for being here. I know this is a different video than cooking, and I hope you like it and hope you enjoyed it. And it was just a different switch up, and I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. And I had a cooking video coming out Thursday, so don't worry. I love you. Bye.